I earn over $50 per minute every single day from the comfort of my home. Doesn't that sound amazing? Well, what if I told you that you could also make this much money as well? All you have to do is learn one simple trick that you can use again and again to make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your own home. Want to know what that trick is? It's typing. I'm sure everyone here is familiar with typing. I mean, in this day and age, even 3-year-olds know how to type. And don't worry, because you don't even have to be that good at typing, which is great for beginners who want to start making money online. This method is also 100% free, and it works worldwide. So you don't even have to worry about anything at all. In fact, I'll even give you guys a bonus website that you can use to double your income with this method right here today. But before we start, welcome to my channel where we teach you how to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, and the most important thing is to turn the notifications bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Now let's get back to the video. To start us off, I want you guys to head over to this website right here. That is called typingtest.com. Now basically what this website does is it allows you to test how good you are at typing. Don't worry, because the test they have on this website is actually quite simple. It only takes 60 seconds. Now down here, you can see 2 drop-down boxes that you can select. The first box determines how long the test you take is going to be. And the second drop-down box shows you what your test will be. Now this is important because you want to take the standardized test. So just go ahead and select the 1-minute test option and choose the medium text option as well. Once you are down, you can now click on this button right here and you will be sent to the test page. What you'll do here is type the words that you can see on your screen as fast and as accurately as you can. So don't just try to rush it, because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low. So just try to do your best, and the timer will start once you type the first letter. I won't bore you guys with 1 minute of me doing the typing test. So let's just move on to the next part of this video. Once you finish the test, you will have your result, and it will look something like this. They will give you your typing speed and your accuracy. Now once you multiply those 2 values, you're seeing your net typing speed. Now you want to take note of this number right here, because that will determine how much money you can make with this method here today. However, if you're not satisfied with your typing speed, then you can click on this option on the left that says Typing Courses. Now, as you guys can see right here, you can double your typing speed by taking this course. So even if you are satisfied with your typing speed, I would still recommend you guys to take this course, because you could potentially double the amount of money that you earn with this. Once you're done taking the typing course, take the typing test again and see if your typing speed has improved. There is a high chance that it has. So once again, I want you guys to take note of your neck typing speed and head on over to the website that will pay you for typing. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The website that I'm talking about is Rev, and you guys can head over here at rev.com. Now this is basically a website where freelancers can sign up to be transcribers. For those of you who aren't familiar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words that you hear in the videos. No, don't worry, because it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is watch a video and type all of the words that you hear. As you guys can see right here, there are 3 options which you can choose from: transcription, English captions, and foreign subtitles. Now the amount of money that you're going to earn depends on the option that you choose. If you choose the transcription option, you are going to earn $1.25 per minute, and you'll just do basic transcription. The same goes for the English captions option, where you will earn $1.25 as well, but this time you are going to caption videos instead. Now for the third option, it will be one which pays the most at $3 to $7 per minute. However, this one is also the hardest because you will be translating the audio from a foreign language. So this is not for everyone. Now if you think that this website might not be legit, don't worry. As you guys can see below, it's trusted by 170,000 plus customers across all industries. Some of these customers are actually major companies, such as Viacom, CBS, PBS, and TCM. This means that it's totally legit, because major companies such as these would never support scams. So just scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button right here, which says Become a Freelancer. that will then take you to another web page where you can sign up for an absolutely free account. As you guys can see, all you have to do is type in your first name, your last name, email address, and create a password. Now the company section is not required, so you can just leave it blank. Make sure to uncheck this first box so that you will receive any marketing emails, and check the second box to agree for their terms of service and privacy policy. After that, you can just go ahead and click Create Account button right here. After that, you will have your completely free account, and then you can start transcribing. However, you won't always get jobs here since a ton of freelancers have already signed up on Reb. So I'll give you a second website that has less freelancers, which means you can get more jobs. The second website that I'll actually show you today is TranscribeMe at transcribeme.com. Now this is another transcription website where people can go onto and have other people transcribe their videos. However, you won't be the one heading over here to have other people do the transcriptions. What he wants to do is create an account. As you guys can see here, you will have the opportunity to grow professionally, choose your own hours and your work location, make great new friends from all over the world, and best of all, make money every week. Everyone starts off from transcription. But as you get more experience, other positions will become available to you. Below you can see the forum where you can sign up for a free account. However, let's focus on this section on the right first. No need to look for work, it comes to you. Now this is a great feature on this website because you no longer have to actively hunt for jobs, because this website will deliver the jobs to you directly. Transcribe whenever and wherever your work hours on here are not strict at all. And you aren't required to sit at a desk, you can do so in your garden, at the beach, or even a school if you're still a student. Work as much or as little as you like. So if you feel like your workload is too much, you can just take a step back and relax and come back to work whenever you feel ready. Transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. Now, unlike Rev.com, where you are most likely to transcribe full videos, this website only sends you short clips so that you won't be overwhelmed by the transcribing process. There are definitely a lot of benefits to this website. So let's sign up for a free account. After all, that you should enter your PayPal email address, which is great because you will be paid in PayPal, and I know that most of you viewers love it when you can get paid through PayPal. Then you can select your address and choose your notification language. Just add your gender and employment status, then include your transcription experience. After that, you can choose your language. And as you guys can see right here, there are a bunch of different language options that you can choose from. Under that you will find some option information, but I highly recommend that you guys fill it out so that you get a higher chance of getting accepted. After that, just tick this box and click this Create Profile button. Once you finish the short registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. All applicants who successfully pass the course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may have to be put on a short waitlist as they process your registration. But don't worry, because it's usually very quick since they still need a lot more transcribers, and that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is get some transcription jobs, start typing, and earn thousands of dollars directly into your PayPal account. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.